you you get to parboil your tomato. Okay, I'm done parboiling my tomatoes, so I want to fry the stew now. This is my onion, this is salt, this is meat stock, this is oil, tomatoes paste, tin tomatoes, ginger and garlic, my Maggi, my beef meat, cow meat. I've boiled it and fried it already. So these are my spices. So just watch me as I fry my stew. So the pot is dry. Stir fry. Stir fry so it does not burn. So it does not burn. Some people might put their uh, Maggi after the tomatoes, but me, I always like putting my Maggi in this first fry to give it a taste, so it does not turn out to be bitter. So everybody has their preference, but this is what I do. Yeah, so it does not. Oh, so you can add this. This is fried onion. It gives it a flavor, a nice